Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone supports Face ID and that you have a current backup. This protects data if you need to restore. Once done, go to Settings, tap Face ID and Passcode, and authenticate with your passcode. Make sure to disable any face-dependent apps temporarily. Now, choose Reset Face ID to clear old facial data. This removes misregistered points and gives you a clean slate for re-enrollment. Take a breath and prepare to rescan your face carefully. You'll re-enroll by holding the iPhone at arm's length, about 10 to 20 inches, in portrait orientation so the true depth camera can map features. Once prompted, position your face inside the frame and move your head slowly to complete the first face scan rotation, then repeat for the second. Make sure lighting is even and remove face coverings. If you normally wear glasses, consider doing one scan with glasses and one without to improve reliability. This increases matching accuracy across conditions. You finish by testing Face ID on the lock screen and with Apple Pay or App Store authentication. Confirm it recognizes you reliably. If it still fails, make sure attention-aware features are set correctly and update to the latest iOS because software affects the true depth system. If problems persist, reset all settings. This keeps data but restores defaults. Or, as a final step, contact Apple support or visit a Genius Bar for a hardware check. One quick tip: clean the front camera area before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.